Hey guys, back again. So today we are painting the living room and the dining room. And you're watching my husband Dave. He's having some fun, listening to some music, acting like a goof. He knows he's got the camera on him, so that's why he's being a little extra right now. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy. You'll see a little montage of clips from painting. So right now you can see my husband is setting up the lights, and then there's also some cabinet doors on the floor. That's because later on we plan on sanding those down and then repainting them. We're thinking of a few different colors, but I think we're gonna just go with some nice glossy white, or not glossy, some nice matte white. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. It was a real short clip, but I got lots more coming. I got a ton of footage from pretty much a year's worth of work. So I'm just slowly finding the clips and editing it. That's why they're kind of sporadic, because I just left these clips sitting for forever. So now I'm missing a ton, and that's why this one kind of ended in a weird spot. But they'll get better soon, because later on I actually start getting a little more consistent with when I start and stop a video. So hope you enjoy. Leave a comment and like and subscribe. Thank you.